Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things kitchen related. Today, we've got something special in store for you. We're diving deep into the Instant Pot official mesh steamer basket, and let me tell you, it's the best steamer basket for Instant Pot available in the market. If you love cooking healthy and delicious meals, this is a must-have accessory for your Instant Pot. So, stick around as we explore its features, benefits, and why it's worth every penny. Let's start by taking a closer look at the Instant Pot official mesh steamer basket. This set includes 2 steamer baskets made of high-quality stainless steel. They're not just any steamer baskets. They're specially designed to work seamlessly with your Instant Pot. The mesh design ensures excellent steam circulation, allowing you to prepare nutritious and mouth-watering dishes with ease. Now, let's talk about some standout features that make these baskets the top choice for Instant Pot enthusiasts. With these baskets, you can steam a wide variety of foods, including vegetables, fish, and more. Say goodbye to overcooking and nutrient loss. Your meals will turn out perfectly every time. The raised feet on these baskets are a game changer. They keep your food elevated above the boiling water, ensuring it's cooked evenly without getting soggy or waterlogged. Each basket comes with an easy lift handle, making it safe and effortless to remove your food from the Instant Pot after cooking. No more awkward balancing acts or burnt fingers. These baskets are not just for steaming. You can also use them as strainers. It's like getting 2 kitchen tools in one. Made from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel, these baskets are built to last. Plus, they are dishwasher safe, which means cleanup is a breeze. Now, let's hear from users who have experienced the Instant Pot official mesh steamer basket firsthand. With over 6,200 ratings and an impressive 4.7-star average, it's safe to say that people love it. One user mentioned how these baskets are a perfect fit for their Ninja Foodie pressure cooker, making steaming and pressure cooking a breeze. Another user appreciated the easy cleanup, even after cooking with thick liquids. These baskets are designed to handle it all. Users have also found these baskets to be versatile, with the smaller one fitting inside the larger one, making them suitable for various Instant Pot recipes. Now, you might be wondering about the price. At just $23.11, down from the typical price of $26.44, these Instant Pot official mesh steamer baskets are a steal. They're backed by the Instant Pot brand, known for its quality and innovation. And remember, they come in a set of 2, so you're getting excellent value for your money. In conclusion, if you own an Instant Pot and want to take your cooking to the next level, the Instant Pot official mesh steamer basket is a game changer. It's versatile, durable, and designed to make your meals healthier and more delicious. Don't miss out on this fantastic kitchen accessory. That's a wrap for today's product review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. And remember, Product Critique is here to help you make informed buying decisions. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.